Today I'm going to teach you how to remove an object easily with Content Aware just in second. To do that, go to Tool and select the Patch tool to make an easy selection around the object. Make sure New Selection active in the top bar, and choose Content Aware as Patch. Structure 01. Color 0. Let's select the area around the object. Make sure you select only outside of the object. Click and drag the selection. Go to Select and choose Deselect. You can see the Content Aware removed the object well. Let's try to remove an object with different images. This image has more colors than the other one. So let's change the color in the top bar 0 to 10. Select around the objects one by one. Drag and drop a similar color source. Do the same to the ballon. Let's remove the reflection shadow as well. Go to Select and deselect the selection. Great. Now we have a perfect image without any object. Let's try with one more different image. This image just a little bit darker in the area that we want to remove object. So let's reduce the color 10 to 4 in the top bar. Select the object with the reflection. Drag and drop the selection into a similar area in the background. Go to Select and deselect the selection. Amazing! This Content Aware technique you can try with your any images. Thanks for watching.